I found Circle Chiropractic through a friend of mine that I played pickleball with. One of those days where I was bending over to pick up the ball, I'm like, oh, my aching sciatica. And he said, you gotta go see my doctor.
I first came to Circle Chiropractic in 2019 on the recommendation of some very good friends. I was having a lumbar issue. This summer though, I had I had a different new issue. Housework that I didn't think was hurting, it didn't hurt at the time, but immediately after was one of the most painful low back or any issues I've ever had.
I moved here from the Northeast 5 years ago. I have been a patient of chiropractic for my entire life. When I played golf, I would have a lot of difficulty with spasms that were debilitating. I needed to find a new chiropractor, and a friend of mine recommended Circle. And I started coming here and meeting with Dr. Duke and having my treatments. And over a period of time, we discovered that I had a very severe compression problem in my L4 lumbar area.
I have dealt for many years with a deteriorating hip, torn labrum in my right side. And so I've been looking for somebody here in Sarasota who could handle that.
We immediately got an MRI the minute I hit town, even before I was on the table here. It said I had a pretty severe extruded herniation of L4 disc laying on the root of the perineal nerve, so I had real issues. Within 48 hours and 2 treatments on the Hill table here, which was my standby, my pain thresholds went from maximums of 8 during the day to maximums of 3. Really pretty miraculous within literally a week and a couple of treatments. Now, you know, after continued regular treatment, back pain's really the least of my issues.
The doctor recommended that I try his decompression therapy. And within the first 3 or 4 sessions, I realized I had more flexibility, I had no pain, and the worry about doing something that would give me those spasms went away.
My issues are more with my lower back, and the way that the tables work and the way that they work on your body was very comfortable to me. And the first few times I came, I said, wow, nothing scared me, nothing hurt. And I left here feeling great. I have to say, it is just so easy, and the doctors are calm and caring, and it just all works out really well.
The doctors here are taking the time to really get to know you and what your lifestyle is, what your activities are, what your issues are, including issues that won't have anything to do with chiropractic. They just know my whole story, and I can have discussions about what's going on, and they'll figure out what that intersect is with what they can treat here.
The confidence that it's not coming back, I think, is the best part of this, because the pain is excruciating. And not having to worry about it, and I'm very active, I play a lot of golf, I'm an aggressive golfer, and for me not to have to worry about that and have my friends go crazy when I have those issues, and is he gonna be all right? Oh my goodness, what happened? I don't have to worry anymore.
Just try it. Don't be afraid to walk in the door. You will be listened to by the staff and the doctors. They will hear what you say. They're not going to just go, okay, lay down, let's do this, and send you out. You can't be afraid of it. It's your health and well-being. It's worth it.
The time they take to understand who you are, what you're about, how you do, what your issues are, that's unprecedented. That's different. This sets the bar.